Good morning. 20 September 23. We buy this property 99. They have income sources Roped and Master Transport. South Plainfield Township. They never help me nothing. They are all over businessman, truck trailer parking. Everything video surveillance system. We are bad luck in this country coming. 40 years this is history. Astoria live Queen. They break down my truck trailer car over there. After I come over there, Agelan Oakty Road. They get to him a lot of ticket health department, Ballery. After Piscataway Township, by the gas station, they get to him the township lot of ticket. In this South Plainfield Township, they give to him the lot of ticket. Franklin Township, New Jersey, District 17, 10 Cedar Grove Lane, they give to him the lot of ticket over there. MS4.com. United States has a fake diploma या fake corporation in this country, fake prime minister president, fake department in this country. Where I am the murder crime, fake prime minister president politics, they have the fake judge in the United States. They have everything video system. Where I am the murder crime in South Plainfield या Piscataway. India government, Manmohan Singh, they give to him a lot of corruption money. Pinglia brother against murder. Murder people, they give to him the government job in this country coming. TV channel, nobody give to him the 5 plywood. In Pinglia brother against, they put it on the name, I put it on. They break down, I pay the money in the township. Countrywide, they give to him the loan after Atwadi FBI. They force him, they sell the loan after runway. Mortgage company in the United States fake associated in this country. Very dangerous country I am coming. People drug with in South Plainfield, they are attack over there. Drug business, they make the money. Corruption, they make the money managed like that. Prime Minister, President, White House, they have drug over there coming, no fingerprint. In this company, I don't know who is the person responsible this case. Nobody responsible. They are drug business in this country, they are responsible. They make the money. I never murder, I never crime. One guy, he is sitting over there. Pinglia brother watching him. Where is the murder crime? In South Plainfield Township, I don't know how much they get the benefit. This property with him, India government they give him. They make church, yeah, mandir after they get the corruption money. 1947, they divide the country, who get the benefit? 1984, they get the benefit India, where they put on the tire, burn, tandoor like that. India government, they are very dangerous Hindu people. They make the fraudulent deed, Diwali with him. I don't know where is the God in the United States. They never trust in the God in politics in the United States. They need the drug business, make money. Where is the Vietnam war, yeah, make money. Iraq war, Libya war, they make the money. Now in the Israel God, they give to him the lot of power making in the United States. I need help. ਬਾਬਾ ਨਿਹਾਲ ਸਿੰਘ, ਬਾਬਾ ਹਰਨਾਮ ਸਿੰਘ, ਤੱਲਣ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਥਾਨ। ਆਈ ਨੀਡ ਦਾ ਹੈਲਪ। United States make this property junk in the United States all country. TV channel, they never give to him the my news. Who stop anybody has a dog runway, a cat runway, TV channel right way coming. They give to him the news, his dog runway, yeah, cat runway. Please, this is bad luck, bad time coming. I am the United States. Sansing Chadwal with him. How many prime minister, president, they are partnership drug business with him. Please, this is Rajalo Pinglia brother case. In your bad time coming very soon. Gaddafi, when they have Kafla going, America government, they throw in the missile over there after surveillance with him. They catch him. Gaddafi, they put it on 5 here. They put it on the gun shooting like a Susu place. Barack Obama, he knows how many people they give to him the award over there. Gaddafi, they beat him after they kill him. They have video. Saddam Hussein, you kill him, they have video. Bin Laden, kill him, now you start. President Barack Obama, anybody get the corruption, they susu, they shoot him. No war on this one. Like Lewinsky, she run away, she lucky. In this country, she run away. Hillary Clinton said, we see him, Bin Laden after he die. God, show him on power. Where is United States Atwadi? They making trouble in this country. Township, he got the lot of benefit. They, how many people, they come over there. Murder people here in the United States. Drug people here. Then they attack. They need the benefit. India government, they send them a lot of grocery. They have benefit in the United States. Atwadi people get over there. I have little business. They shut down South Plainfield Township and New Brunswick Court. How much got the corruption money? Yeah, Somerset Court, they got the corruption money. They have everything proof. There is a Pinglia brother murder crime in this country. Please, this is Rajalo my case. This is bad luck, bad time coming in the United States. You people, Judge John Robert, they make the tree over there. They have video. Robert S. Mueller, he making the same report over there. After they making a funeral house. Where is the bird? They get the funeral smelling, they all die. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck, bad time coming in the United States. Pinglia brother has a lot of patient. United States government has no patient. Like Atwadi people born in this country. You damage the dollar, you damage the United States. Like Columbus Atwadi in United States people coming, bad people. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck, bad time coming. I am 128 country watch my video. Where I am in this country, narc over there coming. I hard work. My father said, you have little problem. Right way, talk to him, sorry. Nobody bother you. You people, how many year Barack Obama, he got the corruption money. Yeah, George W. Bush, check his history. How much corruption money they stolen Iraq war, Libya, Afghanistan. In your veterans, in your video. Thank you, bye. This is bad luck, bad technology, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Any country, any court, federal judge use my video, where I am the murder. Truth in United States, no like. They hang up like a Jesus Christ. Truth. You people, democracy in your religion Attabad. Thank you, bye. I have early morning go, late come in home. In United States, there is a secret agency watching him. You using surveillance in this area. Surveillance, who people use Pinglia brother against, they are responsible activity. Where I am live, they using surveillance, they are responsible township. We Pinglia brother go in the South Plainfield township, they using surveillance. He said, I don't know nothing. In your case, never anybody has little problem, TV channel, yeah, police right way coming. Nobody coming in this area. Thank you, bhai. This is bad luck, bad time coming. God, I need the earthquake. Yeah, Vietnam war, yeah, Libya, Israel, same making in this country. Thank you, bye. Anywhere use my video. Where I am murder crime, 128 country, patrol crime in United States Crime Department. Crime Department, you people never watching this property. See this one, they have property 3046, 3047. Attabadi, they make the fraudulent deed. India, Sasi Kant, you give to him a lot of benefit. Fake mortgage company, fake bank, fake diploma in this country, fake prime minister, president, they hired the judge. Thank you, bye.